I think as Space and Land was becoming a premium, it kind of gave me more reasons in terms of why we had to fight for space and the spaces that we used, and not seen as an afterthought when it comes to communities and spaces. Because I think one of the negotiating aspects of Lex 2 was, you know, we were able to build it because I think we kind of argued that nobody could actually build this space the ways the communities wanted it. And I think if the community doesn't buy into it, they don't attend. So for me, that was an important aspect. And I think it's shown, you know, over the last year or so, you know, while we've been test launching, you know, Lives the Exchange, you know, I think in terms of what we've created has been quite welcomed because it's a space that people need. It doesn't really have any kind of description in terms of what it is apart from a multi-use space.